Welcome everyone to today's tutorial where I will be showing you how to build a professional website step by step using Hostinger. Whether you are a business owner setting up your first shop, a creative building a portfolio, or a blogger starting a new passion project, Hostinger's website builder is one of the fastest ways to get online. In this video, I will walk you through the entire process from initial setup to hitting that publish button. Before we dive into the steps, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss our latest web development guides. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top menu and select Websites, then click on the Add Website button. When prompted to choose your creation tool, make sure you select the Website Builder option. This will launch their intuitive drag-and-drop environment. Now you will be asked to enter your domain name. Type in the URL you would like to use and click the Start Building button to proceed. The next step is to choose a template. Browse through the professionally designed options provided by Hostinger and pick one that fits your brand aesthetic. After you have selected your template, you will enter the visual editor. Use the drag and drop editor to start customizing your site. You can add new text blocks, upload your images, place buttons exactly where you want them, and structure your sections to guide your customers. Take your time to customize the global colors, typography, or fonts to ensure your site matches your brand identity entirely. If you need more structure, go to the side menu and select Pages, then click Add Page. This is where you can create your About page, a dedicated contact page, or a services page. You can also add functional elements to enhance your site, such as interactive contact forms, Google Maps integrations, or online booking forms for your customers. Once you have built out your layout, it is crucial to review your work. Use the Preview button at the top to see how your site looks on both desktop and mobile devices. If everything looks perfect, go ahead and click the Publish button to make your website live for the world to see. It is truly that straightforward to get a professional site running. If this video helped you build your website today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.